Hey everybody, Michael Snyder, California Weather Watch. Today is June 1st, and right now we are looking at the infrared satellite imagery. There is our culprit, the storm that produced all the lightning there just north of Santa Barbara across the higher terrain, Sierra Nevada, San Diego area near the border. A lot of lightning strikes there yesterday across the Baja Peninsula as well. And by the way, June 1st is the first day of meteorological summer. June, July, August, the entire calendar months are considered meteorological summer. Then we go to September, October, November, that is meteorological fall, and so on as you go around like the yearly calendar there. It just makes things easier for meteorologists to say, hey, this is summertime, it's June, July, and August. But yeah, we are here, June 1st. So taking a look here, last 24 hours, severe thunderstorm was across some of the higher terrains, Sierra Nevada, a lot of lightning activity here, and look at all this lightning that did move into portions of San Diego County as well. Just hundreds and thousands of strikes out there, thousands of strikes, let's say, not hundreds of thousands, but yeah, a very prolific lightning producing storm. And we brought some lightning across Nevada, Utah, Arizona, New Mexico, and Colorado as well. And Carl sent me this one from his Tempest weather station, hundreds of strikes showing up here. And he talked about the strikes being so close they made him jump. And I talked about that severe thunderstorm across some of the higher terrain there, Santa Barbara. You probably heard that thunder rumbling to your north if you were across Santa Barbara, maybe even down towards Ventura a little bit there. But yeah, thousands of strikes with that storm yesterday as well. And by the way, if you want to sign up for the Patreon page there, it's free to do so, and it's free to send me some of your own weather images. And there's Santa Barbara, and look at all these lightning strikes here. This image from the National Weather Service, Los Angeles, and you probably heard that thunder rumbling to your north there, but even some of the coastal areas did get a few strikes as well. Let me know what you saw out there if you would. So let's scroll back through yesterday, and we're going to make sure that we have the lightning strikes shown here as well. And we're going to scroll through it. You can see all the lightning down here. And then all of a sudden that storm just pop off across the transverse range. And man, what a prolific lightning producer. Sierra Nevadas, we're getting some decent amounts as well. And you can see the low pressure center spinning this morning. Still not moved too much, but it is starting to creep and inch its way off to the east. Now, this is for today. You can see there is, I don't see any marginal risk for anything, wind or hail associated here across Southern California or Arizona, but we do have the thunderstorm chance again today, tomorrow, Sierra Nevada, and maybe kicking off something for eastern portions here as we go on, and this would be from Tuesday morning through Wednesday morning. Now, isolated thunderstorms today, this is Phoenix, Arizona. This covers portions of California as well. Some of these storms could be on the stronger side. Chance of some gusty winds. If you hit 50 miles per hour, 58 miles per hour, that is considered severe wind gusts, but that would, of course, kick up some blowing dust, maybe some small hail, and some locally heavy rainfall. And, of course, that lightning threat will be apparent with any of these storms. Now, as we go through the day today, you see the spin in the atmosphere. These could be thunderstorms here. You know, this is coming up here pretty quick over the next couple hours. And then you can see some of these moving up towards the border, southern Sierra Nevada, maybe central Sierra Nevada as well. Multiple rounds of thunderstorms here for portions of Arizona, California border. Look at some of these very heavy rainfall and these echoes showing up in some of this Doppler radar activity here as the low pressure center starts to spin across Arizona as we go through Monday morning, kicking off to the east as we go on into the day on Monday. And finally, that low will be out of our hair. And then you can kind of see the afternoon thunderstorms are going to kick off pretty much all of this week across the Sierra Nevada. So something to remember if you're going off across the higher terrain. I'll show you more on that here in a moment. But if we look at the high resolution rapid refresh, do we have a new one? We do. Let's scroll through that, and you can see this lightning activity spreading northbound as we go through the day today. And again, multiple rounds of thunderstorms here for today through tonight here, southeast California, maybe some of the higher terrain there, the Peninsular Range and the Sierra Nevada, and again, Arizona, multiple rounds coming up here as we go through the day today and on and through tomorrow. Now, looking at the North American model, there is our culprit there at 500 millibars, 18,000 feet. There goes that closed low tracking on to the east there. Then we get the next one setting up here. That might keep things unstable enough here, but not as much lightning with this low probably as the last one, as that continues to track off to the east as you go through the midweek period. Now, this is the European model, so you can see where it thinks thunderstorms are going to occur today. Transverse range, possibility for some showers kicking off. Those could be producing some lightning as we go through this afternoon. Southeast California, Sierra Nevada, and maybe a thunderstorm across Northeast California as well. And Arizona really under the gun here also. And then as we go through Monday afternoon, look at that. Another round of thunderstorms there. We go through Tuesday afternoon, rinse and repeat Sierra Nevada. How about Wednesday afternoon? Yet again, in portions of northern Arizona, I should point out some of the higher terrain surrounding Las Vegas, getting some thunderstorms there on Wednesday afternoon as well. Thursday, no exception. Friday, no exception yet again here with thunderstorm regime just continuing for the Sierra Nevada as we go on into this upcoming week. Now, looking at daily 2-meter maximum temperature, this is for today. You see some mid-90s out there. Look at some 100-degree readings approaching some of the San Joaquin Valley down towards Bakersfield as well. Death Valley up over 110 degrees. Looking at Monday, June 2nd. So Redding back up towards 100 degrees here. We're not getting much of a cool down there. There's Tuesday, there's Wednesday, there's Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Some hundreds showing back up for the northern Sacramento Valley yet again. And fairly warm conditions here. Of course, cooler if you get towards the coastline, but the interior area is quite warm here as we go through the first week of June. Now, the 6 to 10 day, you see the above average signal, no doubt about it, across the west, and the below normal signal for Northern California, more of a near normal signal here for Southern California. This is in the 6 to 10 day range. We'll worry about that as we get a little bit closer to it, though. But yeah, anyway, let me know what you guys see out there. Let me know what you guys saw or heard in the comments below, and let me know what you guys see today if you would as well. So anyway, click like and subscribe. I'll be out storm chasing here probably over the next few days, and I'll try to do my briefings on the road, and if not, I may miss a day or two here or there, but hopefully I can get that done. So anyway, I will talk to you guys later.